Welcome back to DriveUSA. Today we're taking a close look at one of the most exciting supercars to arrive on American roads, the all-new 2026 Lamborghini Temerario. This isn't just another replacement for the Huracán. It's a completely new chapter for Lamborghini, combining a high-revving twin-turbo V8 with 3 electric motors to create one of the most advanced performance cars the brand has ever built. The Temerario proves that electrification doesn't have to take away emotion. Instead, it adds even more speed, sharper handling, and technology that pushes the limits of what a modern supercar can do. The first thing you'll notice is the dramatic exterior design. At a glance, it's unmistakably a Lamborghini, but it has its own personality. The front end is lower and wider than before, giving the car an aggressive stance. The signature hexagonal LED daytime running lights immediately grab your attention, while the large air intakes aren't just for style. They channel massive amounts of air to cool the engine, brakes, and hybrid system. Every angle of the front fascia has been sculpted for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. Move along the side, and the Temerario looks incredibly sleek. The roofline flows smoothly toward the rear, while sharp body creases create the illusion of constant motion even when the car is standing still. Large side air intakes feed cool air directly to the twin-turbo V8, and lightweight forged wheels wrapped in high-performance tires complete the exotic appearance. Carbon fiber components are available throughout the body, reducing weight while giving the car an even more premium look. The rear is every bit as dramatic as the front. Slim LED taillights sit above a bold rear diffuser that helps generate downforce at high speeds. The centrally mounted exhaust system announces the car's performance intentions, while the exposed engine cover lets you admire the engineering masterpiece underneath. Lamborghini has carefully balanced beauty and function, creating a supercar that looks incredible from every angle while remaining highly aerodynamic. Step inside, and the cabin immediately feels like the cockpit of a fighter jet. Everything is focused around the driver. The seating position is extremely low, giving you the sensation of being connected directly to the road. Premium leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and aluminum trim cover nearly every surface, creating a luxurious yet performance-focused environment. In front of the driver sits a fully digital instrument cluster that can display everything from navigation to performance data and hybrid power flow. The center touchscreen controls infotainment, climate settings, and vehicle functions, while a separate passenger display allows the person sitting beside you to monitor speed, engine information, and navigation. Lamborghini has significantly improved everyday usability without sacrificing the exotic feel that buyers expect. The steering wheel features drive mode selectors and essential controls within easy reach, allowing the driver to stay focused on the road. Storage remains limited, as expected in a supercar, but there is enough space for small bags or weekend luggage. The seats provide outstanding support during aggressive driving while remaining surprisingly comfortable for longer journeys. Now let's talk about what truly makes the 2026 Temerario special, its performance. Under the rear deck sits an all-new 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with 3 electric motors. Together they produce an astonishing combined output of over 900 horsepower. Unlike many turbocharged engines, this V8 has been engineered to rev incredibly high, delivering an emotional soundtrack while maintaining explosive acceleration. Power is sent to all 4 wheels, through a fast-shifting 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. The result is breathtaking performance. Lamborghini claims the Temerario can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in well under 3 seconds, while its top speed exceeds 210 miles per hour. Whether launching from a stoplight or accelerating onto the highway, the response is immediate and relentless. The hybrid system doesn't just improve straight-line speed. The electric motors instantly fill any gaps in turbo response, making acceleration feel smooth and continuous. They also improve traction when exiting corners, helping the car deliver incredible confidence on both road and racetrack. Handling is equally impressive. The lightweight aluminum chassis offers greater rigidity than before, while adaptive suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions. Rear-wheel steering improves agility in tight corners and stability during high-speed driving. Massive carbon ceramic brakes provide exceptional stopping power, giving drivers confidence even after repeated hard braking. Lamborghini has also introduced multiple driving modes that completely transform the character of the car. In its calmest setting, the Temerario can quietly cruise through city traffic using electric assistance. Switch into sport, and the exhaust becomes louder, throttle response sharpens, and the suspension tightens. Select Casa mode, and the car becomes an uncompromising track weapon with maximum performance from every component. Despite its extreme capabilities, Lamborghini has made noticeable improvements in refinement. Cabin insulation is better, ride quality is more comfortable in everyday driving, and the hybrid technology helps improve efficiency compared to previous naturally aspirated models. It's still an exotic supercar, but one that's easier to live with on a daily basis. As for pricing in the United States, the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario is expected to start at around $360,000 before options. Once buyers begin adding carbon fiber packages, forged wheels, premium interior materials, special paint colors, and performance upgrades, it's very easy for the final price to climb well above $450,000. Limited editions and customized ad personam models could cost significantly more. So, is the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario worth the price? If you're looking for one of the most technologically advanced and emotionally engaging supercars on the market, the answer is yes. It combines breathtaking design, a luxurious driver-focused interior, cutting-edge hybrid engineering, and truly astonishing performance. Rather than replacing the excitement Lamborghini is known for, the Temerario takes it to an entirely new level. Thanks for watching DriveUSA. If you enjoyed this review of the all-new 2026 Lamborghini Temerario, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews of America's hottest new cars, luxury vehicles, and exotic supercars. We'll see you in the next one.